Standard Social Science Unit 1 Forts and Palaces. Now the forts in Tamil Nadu. First Velur Fort.
Velur Fort is situated in Velur district in Tamil Nadu. It was built by the King of Vijayanagara.
Velur Fort has 5 important mahals: Hyder Mahal, Tipu Mahal, Begum Mahal, Kandy Mahal, Badshah Mahal. Inside the Velur Fort, there is a well-known temple called Jalaganeshwara Temple, a church, a mosque, a museum, and several government offices. Second, Dindigul Fort. Dindigul Fort is a 17th century. It was situated in Dindigul district in Tamil Nadu. Third, Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is another beautiful fort in Tamil Nadu. It is located Viluppuram district. Jinji Fort is built across 3 hills. Fourth, Thirumalai Nayakar Palace.
The majestic Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century Nayakar Palace. Nayakar dynasty, it is one of the most popular palace South India.
Fifth, Tanjavur Maratha Palace.
Maratha Palace is popularly called Tanjavur Aranmanai. Tanjavur Aranmanai was originally constructed by the rule of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom.
Sixth, Padmanapuram Palace.
Padmanapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanapuram, Kanyakumari district. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Thank you.